Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocky Talky. I mean, guys, what a turnaround in the worst way. Not really the worst, but I mean, we were up 4%. Before I get into the chart here, guys, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to be part of that fat stack making crew here, guys. So the good news is, before I dive into the chart, I wasn't entirely wrong. We did have a green day, but to go from that big 4%er to only up 0.06% is a little bit nuts, guys. So we did reverse in a really bad way. But you know what? In the long run, we're long-term holders here. And it doesn't matter what happens in the short term unless you're trying to buy in. And I said under 1,000, I'm buying. That $1,000 level, in my opinion, is a nice little support level. Sorry, guys, my voice is going. I don't know what's going on. But one thing I like to draw out are long-term trends, right? So again, looking at this previous high, and this is just to revitalize your memory on like some nice little supports we're going to have along the way if we ever do retest these. But that previous high here, right, around 900, look at that. Lines up perfectly with this retracement golden pocket I have here, and we bounced right off that. So that's a nice little note, is these previous tops always act like new support levels, right, for our next runs. So maybe this top here at 1240 will act like a new support level once we do hit those new all-time highs. Who knows? We'll see what happens, but that is a very common theme. If you do go back here, you can see this previous top here? Nice support level for here. So it is a common theme as far as Tesla goes, that even this one here, see? It broke through a little bit, but still, you can see what I mean. But as a whole, guys, wicked day today. I mean, the amount of excitement going. I was like, oh man, maybe this correction is over. But no, I mean, look at, of all the tech, Apple, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Tesla stayed green. But I do think that is because that $1,000 level is such a nice support, and you can see the day range. We were at 1,041.66 down to 994, and literally by the end of the day, because of that video I made, I was like, please God, let this finish green so I don't look like the biggest idiot of all time. But yeah, guys, you can see, look at that huge selling pressure. Once we hit that 1,040. Well, here it says 1,036, but the retracement or the level of rejection here is 1,040, right? So as soon as we were touching that, bang, we shot down and we hit that $1,000 mark. And I do think that we will trade within, I drew this out, kind of that 1,020 or 1,120 to 1,000 range going into earnings. Anything's possible though. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but if I were going to guess, that's where we're going to kind of trade. We can't get up to that 20-day MA right now. Maybe when earnings come, which will be the 26th, which will be right around here, we do break that. We break this 10 to 20-ish range and go up. Now, there is a gap here that needs to be filled, but like I said in the other video, not all gaps are filled. If you come down here, you can see I drew an arrow to it in the other video. This gap was never filled. So gaps aren't always filled. That's just something to know. It's just it's pretty common that they are, but there is a chance that this one will not get filled and we will continue up, or it will get filled and like after our huge rally we come down and we hit that like 960 range. I don't think so. Again, like I said in my other video, if you're looking to short Tesla, definitely don't get me involved because I wouldn't bet against this monster. I had a comment below saying like, oh, Tesla the 700. It's like, look at this trend line. Are you gonna really bet against that trend line? Look at, we cannot break through it. So as a whole, I'm still extremely bullish on Tesla. It's just, again, this market negativity. What are you gonna do? There's nothing we can do. We are respecting that nice $1,000 support, like I said, and we did have a lot of volume coming in here when we were dropping today. So that's good to see. And if we go over to the Nasdaq here, you can see, guys, I said the other day, we might test that 78% retracement level because we did break through the golden pocket here. And what are we doing right now? Bang, right on that 78% retracement level. And look here, look how almost oversold we are. The terrible arrow, but like we're dancing. We're like almost at 30. And look what happened last time we got down here. Look where that is. Bang, we shot up like a rocket. So I'm not saying that we can't trade within here a little longer. And I'm not saying we can't possibly go even lower, but I am saying it is common for us to hit that oversold and then go up. So whole market's down. Obviously, Ethereum and Bitcoin are up. Another couple big plays I have, but I'm not expecting us to stay here for like 2 more months in the market to crash. I do think we will come back. I do think we will rally. It's just, are you going to take advantage of the fire sales that are on right now? You know, so looking at this trend line, we popped below this trend line a little bit, and look at how big that rally is, right? So I'm not negative. I'm just looking at this as buying opportunities. So guys, if you want to make fat stacks, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go, baby.